Lifetime warranty. Water-resistant base material. Extra roomy main compartment that stands tall for easy packing. 2 zippered end pockets with space for your team's branding and a zippered outside pocket to stash the little stuff. Durable material, built to stand up to wear and tear. Top reviews from the United States. Better than I thought. Perfect for the gym. I was skeptical at first because I was not sure if all my gym clothes, shoes, towel, fajas to sweat I used too, and essentials it was going to fit in there. I didn't want a big bag and also not too small that I have to take everything out to find something. The side pockets are big, tall enough to fit my running shoes. I am impressed. The front pocket is big enough so my body spray and my face cream fits perfectly and there is still more room to put some more stuff. Don't mention the little pocket inside the bag. I can put a little Q-tips box and feminine emergency essentials just in case something unexpected happens. I really love my gym bag. I hope it helps somebody with the same needs for a gym bag. Not much water resistant.